My name is Corrie and I'm the founder of the Blue Sky Society Trust. This year I decided that one of my goals is to plant 1,000 trees as part of my TREES4KZN program. So today we are here at uMngeni Valley to plant 300 trees. I've partnered with Network Configurations and with WESSA, and we've brought 120 children from the rural community and 50 staff from Network Configuration to come and learn a little bit more about nature.
We came out here today to bring our team out to have a bit of fun, hands-on with nature, give something back, just to do something good.
I think as a business we decided to give back to the environment, plant some trees, do some good, and also educate our staff and even some of the school kids around our environment and the importance of it.
They get a sense of ownership of this is my land, this is my country, and what I plant today only bears fruit much later.
It's quite a nice experience. It's peaceful. You come here, your soul gets relieved and you just enjoy.
Kids are having a ball. The little faces are incredible to watch, the highlights, and they're smiling as they find things, and they've probably never been out on an excursion like this before.
It's absolutely important for individuals, both children and adults, to reconnect with nature, because somewhere along the line we seem to have lost that connection.
The uMngeni Valley is just, it's awesome that you've got these gems of nature that you don't get to see, and they're really around the corner. Having a look at the WESSA facilities, I mean, they're absolutely amazing to educate schools, universities, etc. And I think it's a great initiative, and it's a great initiative to keep going.
For most, it's an experience that they needed to have in terms of the relevance of nature, and they've been having a really good day.
It's great to see people having fun and kids, and be able to give something back to people who are not as fortunate as you are.
And I think I'd just also like to say well done to Carla and Blue Sky definitely for making this happen. It's for a good cause, and we're happy to invest in initiatives like this. I think it's fantastic. So well done Carla, Blue Sky and the team.